Hi, welcome to my garden. It's been just about 28 hours since that 100-mile-an-hour gust front came through the Tulsa area. They're going to be out of power till Saturday. We got lucky and I don't think the garden took too bad of a hit. We had a tornado dust up about 7 miles east of us. We got lucky, it veered off, and we only lost a few branches. And you can see what happened to some of the sugar cane. Let's go ahead and take a tour of the garden and see what we have. It looks like most everything on the trellis held up pretty well. And it looks like most of the zucchini came through just fine. We got a couple little ones starting to come on. Cucumbers are starting to kick in. Even most of the corn's still standing up. This pepper got knocked over, but it's still in the ground. I'm gonna have to stake that up. While I'm out here, this little pepper's got a couple on here. We're just gonna take these off. I want this plant to get big enough to support some bigger peppers. So those are nice. There's some wind damage here. That broke off. Thought you could make it till trellis Tuesday, but we're lucky you didn't get snapped off. But this sucker's got to come out of here. Well, look at this. Look at this. We got some nice squash coming on. Now that's tragic. That snapped off, but it snapped off right here at a branch. This is a good one to follow on that controversy of whether or not to top them out. I mean, I wouldn't top them out this much, but we'll see how well this grows. Actually, the string did pretty good by these tomatoes. Well, check this out. One little tornado scare and a nice thunderstorm. Look what we got. Got one. Two. A couple more down in there that are just about ready, but not quite. I believe we were really blessed the way we came through that thunderstorm, especially as close as that tornado was. And on top of it, we were able to come out here and harvest a couple peppers and a couple nice little crookneck squash. They're going to be tasty for dinner tonight. All in all, I think we fared pretty well. Not very much was damaged, and even the stuff that was damaged is going to come through just fine. You can do this too. A little pre-planting, a little trellising, a lot of deep mulch. If you want to learn more about the deep mulch, click that link and I'll meet you right back in the garden. If you want to learn about the living soil, click that link and I'll meet you right back in the garden. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.